Hello and welcome students. Welcome you all in my history class. Class 9 History Chapter 1 The French Revolution we are discussing. In our last video we have discussed about Jacobins Club, a powerful club which emerged and National Assembly's power shifted to convention. And the time period under Jacobins Club, that is the period from 1793 to 1794, is referred to as the Reign of Terror. And Jacobin Club's leader was Maximilien Robespierre. Okay. So now in today's session we will study what is meant by Reign of Terror and why it is so called. So let's start. Reign of Terror. Okay. Now, what is meant by Reign of Terror and why it is so called? The time period between 1793 to 1794 is referred to as Reign of Terror. 1789, as you know children, revolution started, and 1790, 91, 92, National Assembly strengthened its power. And in the year 1793, Louis XVI was executed and guillotined. So 1793 to 1794, during this time period, Jacobins Club was in its peak, was very powerful. And Maximilien Robespierre was the leader of Jacobins Club. And he followed a policy of severe control and punishment. Strictly controlled means those people who did not listen to him or follow his rules and who were against him were arrested and executed. So, a severe control and punishment system was introduced by Maximilien Robespierre. He was the leader of Jacobins Club. Now, all those whom he saw as being enemies of the Republic, example like nobles, clergy, and members of other political parties, and even members of his own party who did not agree with his methods, were arrested, imprisoned, and then tried by a revolutionary tribunal. Okay, so all those whom he saw as being enemies of the Republic, okay, enemies of the Republic, example like the nobles, clergy, members of other political parties, and even the members of his own party who did not agree, who did not listen to him, okay, who were against him with his methods, okay, and those people were arrested, imprisoned, and then tried by a revolutionary tribunal. And if the court found them guilty, they were guillotined, means they were sentenced to death. And the guillotine, what is meant by guillotine? Okay, now this question is also coming, that what is meant by guillotine? Okay, so guillotine, children, it is actually a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. Okay, and it was named after Dr. Guillotine, who invented it. Okay, so guillotine is a kind of device with two poles and a sharp blade with which a person is beheaded. So here we have seen that a severe punishment, strict punishment were given to those people who did not listen to Robespierre government and who break his law. So even the members of his own party, they were also being given punishment. Now that time period was very scary, full of fear among the people, as strict punishment were given to the people. So those who did not follow the rules of Robespierre government were arrested and guillotined. So I hope you have understood, children, about the time period of Robespierre government, that is the reign of terror. Okay, this is also very important, children, very important topic. Maximilien Robespierre, okay, he was the leader of Jacobins Club, okay, and Robespierre government, actually he issued some law, or we can say he passed some law, okay, to maintain equality in the country. Okay, so what were the laws? Let's see. First of all, you'll see here, he placed a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Okay, maximum ceiling on wages and prices, that is fixed wages and meat and bread. Okay, those food items were rationed. Okay, that means fixed amount. Okay, it will allow each person will have fixed amount of commodity. Okay, so here you'll see that he place a maximum ceiling on wages and prices, that is like meat and bread were rationed. Fixed wages were there, means fixed wages, and prices of those items were rationed. Okay, so that to control the prices, to bring equality among all, this step was taken by Robespierre government. Okay, this is number 1. Number 2, I'll see here, peasants. Okay, peasants were forced to transport their grains, means food grains, to the cities and sell it at a price which was fixed by the government. Okay, this is number 2. Peasants or the farmers, they were forced to transport their grain, means their food grains, and they can sell those food grains at the prices which was fixed by the government. Okay, Robespierre government. And forced selling means at fixed prices. Okay, not more than that, means they could not sell those food grains at a higher price. Okay, price was totally fixed by the government. Okay, this is the second point. Now coming to point number 3, you have to write down, means write in point wise, children. Okay, and here you will see point number 3, that is equality in food was also there. In food also equality has been maintained by this government, Robespierre government. Okay, let's see how. The use of more expensive white flour was banned, means it should not be allowed. Okay, nobody could use that expensive white flour. Okay, all the citizens had to eat pain digilite, that means equality bread, which is at a price cheaper. Okay, and a loaf, it is actually a loaf made up of whole wheat. Okay, and nobody could use the expensive white flour, it was actually expensive. Okay, that white flour was very expensive and only purchased by the high class nobles, aristocrats. So it was totally banned by Maximilien Robespierre. Okay, and all the classes, they will eat the same type of food to promote equality strictly in the country. Okay. Now, point number 4. This is for your children. Equality in food was maintained. Now coming to point number 4. This one. Equality was also sought to be practiced through forms of speech and address. Okay, that is, instead of the traditional monsieur, that is sir and madam, citoyen or citizen were used for all Frenchmen and women. Okay, so that equality should be shown through the speech and also through address. Okay, if a person is addressing someone, he or she should not address that person as sir and madam, that is monsieur, okay, and madam. Instead of that, they will use what? They are going to use citoyen, okay, or citizen. So in this way, equality has been maintained through speech and address also. Now coming to next point, okay. Okay, so these are the points, okay, through which Maximilien Robespierre tried to bring equality in the country. Okay, now next step, what he did, churches were totally shut down and their buildings were converted into barracks or offices. Okay, so in this way we can see Maximilien Robespierre, during his time period, churches were totally shut down and their buildings were converted into barracks or offices. Okay, that means barracks or offices means, children, a large building which is used by the soldiers, okay, where soldiers or army live. Okay, so children, this is clear what is meant by reign of terror. Okay, now coming to here, next let's see what happened after that. So Maximilien Robespierre, he followed and continued his policies in such a harsh way, so strictly, that even his own supporters began to demand moderation. Okay, means changes they want. And they started protesting against their leader, Maximilien Robespierre. Okay, so Maximilien Robespierre, and the people, they want freedom from his rule. Such a harsh and strict policy of Robespierre government, it was quite intolerable for the citizens. So at last what happened? Maximilien Robespierre, he was convicted. Okay, convicted means, children, he was declared guilty by a court in July 1794. Okay, you'll see the date. He was convicted by a court in the year July 1794. And he was arrested. On the next day, he was sent to guillotined. Okay, the next day, guillotined took place. That means he was given death punishment. Okay, what type of punishment? Guillotined. Okay, so this is clear, I hope, children, about reign of terror. Okay, now coming to next point, that is the next topic. A directory rules France. Okay, so what happened? Let's see here. A directory rules France. Okay, after Robespierre government, who will come in power? Let's see. After the execution or guillotine of Maximilien Robespierre, Jacobin club fall, or their rule totally ended. Then next, what happened in France after that? Because now Louis XVI's rule was not there, and he was totally given death sentence. After that, Maximilien Robespierre, his rule also totally ended and he was given death punishment. the sentence, right? That is guillotined. And after that, what happened? What will happen in France? Who is going to hold the power? Now let's see. Wealthier middle class acquired power. Okay, wealthier middle class, as you know, they were quite wealthy. They acquired power because after the fall of Robespierre government, the seat was totally empty, and somebody will come in power. Definitely somebody will come in power. So the wealthier middle class people, they came in power, and they were wealthy and they have money power, so they come in power. Now they drafted a new constitution, okay, but they denied vote to non-propertied section, means those who did not have property or those who were not wealthy, they were not able to give votes. Okay, so a new constitution was drafted. Okay, this wealthier middle class, they drafted this new constitution. Okay, and but the problem is here that this constitution, it totally denied vote to non-propertied section of the society. That means those who did not have any property and those who were not wealthy, they are not able to give the votes. Okay, this is a negative side, as it denied the vote to non-propertied section of the society. Okay, this constitution. Okay, now after that, what happened? So those who were, property section, those who were wealthy, they will vote and choose the elected legislative council. Okay, elected legislative council, that means elected 5 members. Okay, their 5 members of elected body were called directory. Okay, that is also executive. Directory means, children, here executive body which is made up of 5 members. Okay, so directory means here executive body which is made up of 5 members. Okay, as you have seen also, na children, before in that flow chart, that flow chart was shown, their legislature, executive and judiciary, all this separation of powers has been shown, right? So at first, King Louis XVI and his ministers were there in executive department, but after the execution of king, the executive branch was filled by directory. Okay, so it took the place, directory, it directly took the place of king and ministers. So as you have seen, children, that France became a republic during the Jacobins Club time period and under the leadership of Maximilien Robespierre. Now Louis XVI was executed, that time only France becomes a republic. Okay, but here one problem is that there is only one member. Okay, there is only one member, and executive body, okay, like Maximilien Robespierre, he was the one person who holds all the power, right? Maximilien Robespierre, he was the only person one person, right, who holds all the power. So here also we'll see same thing here, one member is holding all the power. So what will happen? If one person will hold all the power, he will naturally become a brutal or a cruel ruler. So this time people learned a lesson from past examples, that power should not be given to one person, rather it should be divided. Okay, so if again they will make one member executive, then what will happen? That person might become brutal like Robespierre government. So here 5-member executive body was made. Okay, why this 5 members were there in directory. This is the reason, okay? So that one person will not hold all the power. So 5-member executive body was made, which is called directory. So it is known as Directory rules France, okay? After the fall of Robespierre government, directory came to power and it is made up of 5 members. Now, it is known as Directory rules France, means in this new system, some changes were there. Like power shifted from lower strata or class to wealthier sections. That is, voting rights now changed, and one elected legislative council will be there and one directory which rule France, okay? Made up of 5 members, okay? Executive made up of directory means executive members, which is made up of 5 members, okay? But again, some problem is here, that in this system there was a problem, okay, in this directory which came to power after the fall of after the fall of Maximilien Robespierre. Okay, what is the problem or drawback in the system? There was a problem. There were often conflict between legislature and executive, okay, these two organ of the government. Now their views did not match, okay, as the executive, it clashed with the legislature, with the legislative council, because they dismissed them and the executive members, okay, this legislative, they dismissed the executive members. So in this way a political instability was there, okay? Political instability formed or created. So this is the drawback, that this directors often clashed with the legislative council and then they dismiss them. So it leads to political instability, okay? Political instability means government was not stable. As there was not a stable or a good government, so there were different problems, means different problem will arise in the country. So what happened then? As again you will see, children, the same position was there, okay? Same position, or means the condition was same, just like before. No stable or good government was there. Place was totally empty. Then definitely somebody will come and grab this situation. Now this situation was grabbed by Napoleon Bonaparte, and he took the advantage of the situation and came in power. Napoleon Bonaparte, okay? He was a military dictator. He came to power as the government was unstable, right? Political instability was there. So he grabbed the situation and he came to power. Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte was a military general and he became a French dictator. But how he became a dictator and what happened in France during his rule, we'll study in our next video, okay? Which deal with the history in the conclusion part, okay? Which is given in the book. In the conclusion part, we are going to study in details about him. And here, children, the story of French Revolution totally ended. But in the upcoming videos, we'll see or we will study about the contribution of women. How women, okay, they played a crucial role in French Revolution, okay, in the history of France, and abolition of slavery and revolution and everyday life, and the role of Napoleon Bonaparte in the last video. In the next video we are going to discuss. So that's all for this video, children. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.